Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing out a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin has been moving to the downside during the last couple of hours, and we could continue even lower to the downside. Let's look at the charts. The reason why I think we could move lower to the downside is because we probably have completed the last retrace to the upside. And as you know, the market maker structure looks like this: W bottom, first leg up, second leg up, third leg up, double top formation, first leg down, second leg down, and then third leg down with 3 retraces, and then the process starts all over again. We are probably somewhere completing the last retrace to the upside, and we're somewhere here, probably in that zone, as you can see from the chart. So what we need to do to have a confirmation of the last leg down is to break this low right here at 25.8k. If we do that, we will have the last leg down, and the closest volume candle which hasn't been covered yet is at 25k. If we go even lower than that, the next target for you is at 22k. If we break that, the next one is at 20k. So we could go all the way down to 20k, retest that area, have a double bottom formation, and then move out of there. But the closest target for you is at 25k, and that is where you could take your profits or set your stop losses in a profit in that area. Something for you to look at. If we look at the lower time frame, we have been in somewhat of a range between 26 and 27k. We went all the way up to 28.4k in our last retrace to the upside, but since then we have been in an accumulation zone here from let's say 27.3k down to, let's say, 26.7k. We've been in that range, and as you can see, the spikes are more let's say heavier on the upside, to the upside. You see here spike, 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 which means they set their orders, short orders in that area, and reverse price immediately after, which tends to be somewhat of a or you could speculate that that could be the reason that the market maker is building shorts above the 27k area. As you can see, we've been accumulating in that zone for a while and haven't moved aggressively from there. As soon as we get a lot of orders going above 27k, they immediately reverse it to the downside again. So wait for a clear break to the downside below 26 point, let's say 5k. When we break that to the downside, the next target for you is the red line here, 25.8k. Break that on a 1 hour time frame, you have a confirmation that we're at least going to test the 25k area. Looking at the news events for this week, we can see not much is going on. We have the unemployment claims on Thursday from the US. Other than that, it's kind of a free week for the market maker to do whatever we want to do and set the tone for next week's incredible or scary news week, because we had the CPI numbers coming out from the US on Tuesday, and immediately the day after, the federal funds rate is being released to the public, and we have the FOMC press conference. So Jerome Powell got the question during the last press conference that it might be tight for them if the CPI numbers are deviating from what they're expecting. How will they adjust the rates? How will they manage to do that? But he said he will receive CPI numbers 1 week before everyone else, and then he's going to have time to adjust the federal funds rate and have a great analysis before setting it. That's what he said in the last press conference. So if someone leaks it from the Fed to the big market makers, we could see volatile movement on Thursday and Friday in preparation of the news events for next week. So look out for that. You could get some clues during this week. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see in the near term, we can see that we have a lot more liquidation points to the upside, all the way up to 27.9k. So we could go all the way up there, have a quick run up, and then reverse to the downside because we have more money to the downside, especially in the 25k and 24k area. We also have a lot of liquidations in the 20k area. So the market maker has volume candles in that zone prepared, and he's gonna probably liquidate those people as well at the same time. So he will get a lot of money in that move if they decide to do that. However, this is not financial advice, it's just for education and entertainment purposes only. Let's look at Chainlink. Chainlink is looking pretty interesting. As you can see, we've been dropping from the $8.5 area to the downside for a while, and we're currently approaching the $6 zone, which is probably a signal to go long and close off your shorts. Not financial advice, but if we zoom out a bit, you can see what I mean. Since over a year, Chainlink has been trading from $8.5 to $6 in a big accumulation cannibal, and you could have profited day trading this. As soon as we get to $6 area, you start building your longs and close off your shorts, and we could ride it out up until $8.5. That is where you close off your longs and start building your shorts and just ride out. Until you have enough money to buy more Chainlink. Not financial advice. So we're approaching the $6 zone. As I told you in my last day trading update when we talked about Chainlink, you could start building around the $6.5 area. First order there, the next one here at $6.3, and then the last order here at $6. So you have 3 long orders. Let's say you have $90. Let's write out $90. You put 30 here, 30 here, and 30 here, and you set your stop loss at $5.5. Take profit in the $8.5 area. That's it for today's day trading update. I hope you learned something today. None of this was financial advice. Please like and subscribe, and we will talk to each other next time. See you soon. Big Boss out.